Quickly turn fresh oranges, grapefruits, lemons, or limes into delicious juice with the Avamix CJ180 Electric Citrus Juicer. If you're starting to offer freshly made fruit juice or lemonade, this juicer is a great choice. The CJ180 juicer comes with 3 different size reamers for small, medium, and large citrus fruits. The durable reamers ensure long-lasting use, while their simple designs make them easy to install into the juicer. The CJ180 features a simple on-off switch for easy operation and an 1800 RPM quiet motor to keep pace with busy demands. The citrus juicer has a 9 3/4 inch high spout clearance to accommodate a variety of pitchers, glasses, or blender jars. There is even a pulp guard so you can be sure that the juice is finely strained and ready to use. This juicer also features a splash guard to keep the juice and pulp contained when the unit is being operated. Thanks to its heavy-duty cast aluminum construction and acid-resistant finish, you can be sure this juicer will last a long time. Squeeze juice more efficiently and easily than hand squeezers or manual juicers with the Avamix CJ180 Electric Citrus Juicer.